if I told you that one of the smartest SUVs of 2027 isn't wearing a luxury European badge? Instead, it's coming from a brand that's rewriting the EV rulebook with every new release. Meet the all-new 2027 BYD Song Plus, an SUV that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, surprising performance, and premium comfort into one seriously attractive package. If you've been wondering whether BYD is ready to challenge the biggest names in the automotive world, this SUV might just be your answer. Welcome back to Noir Velocity, where we bring you the hottest cars before they dominate the roads. Let's dive in. The moment you lay eyes on the 2027 BYD Song Plus, it's clear this isn't just another family SUV. The front end is sleek yet aggressive, featuring razor-thin LED headlights connected by a clean black fascia that gives the vehicle an unmistakably modern appearance. The sculpted hood, muscular wheel arches, flush door handles, and floating roof design all work together to create a sporty profile that looks expensive from every angle. Large aerodynamic alloy wheels and a full-width LED light bar at the rear complete the futuristic look. Whether it's parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising through the city at night, this SUV turns heads without trying too hard. Step inside, and things get even more impressive. The cabin feels open, premium, and thoughtfully designed. Soft touch materials cover nearly every surface, while high-quality leather seats provide excellent support for both short commutes and long-distance journeys. The panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light, making the cabin feel even more spacious. Ambient lighting adds a sophisticated atmosphere after sunset, and thanks to the quiet electric platform, the cabin remains incredibly peaceful even at highway speeds. Right in front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster, while the centerpiece is a large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system packed with crisp graphics and fast response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, over-the-air software updates, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium audio system all contribute to a modern driving experience. Every button and control feels exactly where it should be, giving the cockpit a clean, driver-focused layout that balances simplicity with advanced technology. Performance is another area where the 2027 BYD Song Plus continues to impress. Depending on the final powertrain configuration, buyers can expect either an advanced plug-in hybrid setup or a fully electric version delivering smooth, instant acceleration. The electric motor provides immediate torque, allowing the SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in around 7 seconds, making everyday driving feel quick and effortless. Instead of a traditional exhaust note, you experience the smooth, futuristic silence that electric vehicles are known for, with only a subtle electronic driving sound that enhances the premium feel. Steering is light yet precise. Suspension tuning strikes an excellent balance between comfort and stability, and road imperfections are absorbed with confidence. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or enjoying a weekend highway trip, the Song Plus feels refined and composed. Safety has become one of BYD's strongest selling points, and this latest model takes it even further. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, 360-degree surround view cameras, intelligent parking assistance, traffic sign recognition, and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. Combined with BYD's advanced battery technology and rigid chassis design, the Song Plus offers the confidence modern families are looking for. One of the biggest reasons this SUV could become a global success is its value. While premium competitors continue pushing prices higher, BYD manages to deliver luxury-level features without demanding a luxury-level budget. Although official pricing may vary depending on the market and trim level, many experts expect the 2027 Song Plus to remain extremely competitive, making it one of the best value electrified SUVs available. You get futuristic styling, premium materials, advanced safety, impressive efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped into one attractive package. So is the 2027 BYD Song Plus worth waiting for? Absolutely. It proves that innovation no longer belongs to traditional luxury brands alone. This SUV combines bold design, comfortable practicality, modern technology, and impressive performance into a package that's hard to ignore. If BYD continues on this path, competitors will have a serious challenge ahead. Thanks for watching Noir Velocity. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more future car reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the 2027 BYD Song Plus over a Tesla Model Y or Hyundai Ioniq 5? We'll see you in the next one.